There are some fundamentals in life, and those fundamentals are everyone wants a job, everyone needs to be educated, everyone needs a house, but most importantly, they need their good health. In the current environment that we're in at the moment with COVID, it's really important that we look after all of our generations, our older generations, our kaumātua, our Pākeke and our tamariki. Because if we don't do that, then what's our future? The price of houses. Our younger ones are struggling just to save. I hear people are paying $700 a week for rent. How are they expected to live having to pay that, and then how are they expected to save to buy a house? We as the whānau, the hapū and the iwi, I mean, we can help because, you know, we have tracts of land that we could utilise, and perhaps rather than buying the land and the house, we make the land available and they put their houses on. So that might be a way of addressing those issues. One thing we can surely improve on is our communication out there and making sure that everyone is aware of what's available to assist and support them.